With the cloudy skies and the on and off rainy conditions, at least it was warm out there. Temperatures making it into the low 70s. Let's go to triple Doppler radar, and you can see locally we're dry across northwest Ohio. The last of the showers extend from about Bellevue down east of Upper Sandusky and into the Marion, Delaware, and Columbus area. And the cold frontal boundary, it's sitting right about from the islands down eastward and down southward across the islands and into the Columbus area. And we'll put it right here, and you can see the cold front headed on off towards the east. Look at this temperature difference here across northwest Ohio, where temperatures have fallen back into the 50s, 60s out ahead of the cold front. Cleveland, not going to last much longer over there. Temperatures will be dropping over that way as well. As we close on in locally, we can see temperatures back on off towards the west. Wauseon 57, Hillsdale 54 degrees, 55 for Defiance, and 60 degrees for Toledo. Now wind speeds, they're out of the west-southwest now. They've turned to the west-southwest behind the cold front, and they're still sustained. Bowling Green 25 miles per hour, Toledo 24 miles per hour, Napoleon 21 miles per hour, and 17 miles per hour out towards the Bryant area. With that in mind, you can see the wind starting to calm on down out towards the west, but we remain with a wind advisory here in the tan color, mainly I-75 points eastward towards the Cleveland area. And this is all associated with this low pressure system and trailing cold front. You can see the swirl across central lower Michigan, trailing cold fronts running through the islands region, and this is going to continue to lift on up to the north and east as we head through the daytime hours on Monday. Now our high temperature today, kind of a little weird. Let me explain this to you. 72 degrees was our high temperature, and that actually happened at 7 o'clock this evening. Our low temperature was actually our 11 o'clock reading, 59 degrees. The sun is up tomorrow morning at 7:48. Now, as we look at our weather headlines, the severe weather threat is all but diminished across our area, and we're going to continue with on and off light rain during the overnight hours, but we're going to keep the winds going during the overnight hours, and at times they could gust up to 40 miles per hour. Monday, not going to be in the 70s. We're just looking for cooler and breezy conditions with high temperatures only in the 50s. Now, as we look at our forecast track here, here's this area of low pressure. Tomorrow morning, it's going to continue to lift on off towards the north and east. We're going to get a westerly flow from a high pressure that's going to sink on down to the south of Ohio. But for the daytime on Tuesday, it's going to clear on out the Great Lakes as high pressure is pretty much to the south of us. That'll allow for a nice day on Tuesday. On Wednesday, we're going to get a return flow around this high pressure with a warm front lifting to the north. Temperatures go back close to 70, but this system here off to the west for Wednesday will be in our area starting Thursday. It's going to kind of hang around for a couple days, and I'll show you that here in the 10-day trend as we're going to have wet weather towards the end of the week and cooler weather. Low temperature tonight will go down to 52 degrees, windy with some on and off light rain across the area. Tomorrow, 56. That is it for a high temperature tomorrow. We only add 4 more degrees to our overnight low temperature with mostly cloudy skies, breezy and cooler conditions. We could see a raindrop here and there, but I really wouldn't count on it. As we look at your forecast area wide in our True View forecast, you can see we're going to keep the clouds around the area with low temperatures only going down into the low 50s across most of the area. Let me say only, but we're going to be dropping down to 50 degrees, 40s out towards the west with a west wind 20 to 30 miles per hour. For the daytime on Monday itself, here's where I wanted to use the word only. Only 4 more degrees is where we're going to go tomorrow from our morning low temperatures. High temperatures tomorrow, about 56 Toledo, 57 Findlay, with that west wind, breezy at times, 15 to 25 miles per hour. 62 on Tuesday with partly sunny skies. There's that 70-degree reading for Wednesday, 63 on Thursday, 55 on Friday. And then, Brian, like I said, towards the end of the week, we're going to start getting the rain back in here and cooler temperatures.